Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from your Google Drive on your Android or Google Drive mobile. So if you are open your Google Drive and then you won't see any option of log out on your account here, what you have to do, you just log out your Google account from your phone instead. So you unable to log out only Google Drive account, since the Google services is bundled in a pack for Gmail, Google Drive, Google Classroom, etc. So what you have to do, you go to your settings and then you find the Google accounts, and then, like this Google account, and then you can sign out any of Google account that you desire not anymore the Google Drive on your phone. So click this account and sync, and then you can click this Google and then find on this email which one you want to log out. That's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.